1 by 3 divided by 1 by 9. First of all, we will solve it because we have to move from left to right. Divide is changed into multiplication, and 1 over 9 is flipped. It will become 9 over 1. And remaining portion should be kept as it is. So now, 1 by 3 times 9, it will be 3 divided by 1 by 27 divided by 1 by 81. Now, again, we have to move from left to right. So 3 is kept as it is, division is changed into multiplication, and 1 over 27 is flipped. So 3 times 27 will be 81 divided by 1 by 81. Don't concern, it is wrong. So we have to apply KCF rule. 81 divided by 1 by 81 can be written as 81 times 81. Now here, 81 can be written as 80 plus 1 times 80 plus 1. Now multiply 80 times 80, we will get 6400 plus 80 plus 1 times 80, and 1 times 1, it will be 1. Now we will add these 4 terms. 400, 80 plus 1. We will get 1 and 4 by 4. Our answer will be equal to 6561. Thank you for watching.